My eyes are always on the lookout for interesting objects that I could thrift and flip. So let's see what I can find and what I can flip. I will be shopping at estate sales, thrift stores, and asking for donations, kind of like begging my friends for things. What do I do with everything I make? Well, some I keep, some I give away to people who may appreciate some of the things that I DIY'd. And lastly, if I sell some of the DIYs, I donate the money to those that are in need. So today is Thrift Flip DIY Day. So the first DIY flip is a vintage basket. So the supplies needed include some hot glue, some E6000, some faux leather handles, 8 brads, and of course you need the vintage basket. So I picked up a wire basket at Free Fridays in a neighboring town where everything outside in a certain area was free, and of course everything is a bargain. However, inside are things that will cost some $1, some $5, some $15. It just depends. But they will bargain with you. So I was looking around and in the vintage area, and I see this wire basket. It just looked very interesting to me. It is sturdy, and I like the rustic look, but it did not have any handles. So someone had given me a bag, and it had some faux leather handles. I wasn't using the bag anymore, so I just cut off one handle, and that one handle was enough to make 2 handles for the basket. I punched an opening in the faux leather strap, and I inserted a brad. And then I added a little hot glue and a little E6000 to make sure that it wasn't going to come apart. And after spreading the brad, once it was inserted into the faux leather, I cut the ends of another brad and used, again, this hot glue and E6000 to make sure it was secure, and also it gave it a nice finish look. Also, you want to make sure that the handles are evenly spaced. And once you're done, because it is a very simple thrift flip, I filled it with some Christmas ornaments, but you can fill it with just about anything that you would like. Wire baskets are great for festive decor and organizing items you want to keep organized. Now, I styled mine with Christmas ornaments, but you can use anything. How clever! So the third Thursday Thrift Flip is hosted by Creative DIY with Mom Daz, the Russet Willow, and Southern Gmore Gals. These ladies love to thrift and flip and make budget-friendly DIYs. They are wonderful and sweet, so make sure you subscribe to their channel, like, save, and comment. Their channels are listed in the description box below. Also, please follow the other collaborators that are in the playlist too. So now we're on to DIY number 2. This is a glass Christmas tree, or a glass glam Christmas tree, however you want to say it. Now, this was thrifted. When I saw this, I really didn't know what it was because it didn't have a stem, but it kind of looked like a martini glassware without a stem. And immediately my mind started thinking, oh, how about a Christmas tree? So if you have seen anything like this, please let me know what the name of the glassware is. There were 4 of them, and I purchased them all for 25 cents each. What a deal. So the supplies you need for this DIY include only 3 of the martini glassware, 4 large pearls, some hot glue, and a packet of small flat pearls. Now again, this is very simple thrift flip, but it's also elegant. So first, I took a strip of half round beads and I lined them around the bottom of the glass. I'll call it a tree. This was done to all 3 martini glassware. I didn't want to make it permanent because I may decide to use it for something else somewhere down the line. So I only use hot glue, no E6000. I turned the first martini glass upside down and hot glued a large pearl bead on top of it. Then I hot glued the second martini glass on top of that one. I put a large bead on top of the second one and hot glued the third martini glass to that. And then I topped it off with another bead. I have not seen anything like this before, but I think it's beautiful. It's very glam if that's your aesthetic. If you want this to be permanent, then I would suggest using E6000. Now, on to my DIY number 3. This DIY is literally a bottle brush tree. The supplies needed include a narrow 6-inch tall glass bottle, some white Rust-Oleum spray paint, and a gold bottle brush Christmas tree. I was visiting a friend who was going to have an estate sale. She told me to look around and see what I wanted, but I tell you, I was on overload. I had no idea what I wanted. There was just so many things that this person had gathered over the years. So I took this 6-inch glass bottle. I decided to take it outside and spray paint it with Rust-Oleum white paint. After it was dry, I took a gold bottle brush tree that was just laying around and I inserted it in the bottle. And that is why I said this is literally a bottle brush tree. And one of the things that makes it look nice is I tied it with some burgundy wire ribbon. And then I found some other little silver bling and I hot glued that to the middle part of the bowl. I think it looks nice. You can see how I styled it. I put it in my bathroom on my mirror tray and I think it looks well. Well, that is all. These are quick and great thrift flips. Now please subscribe to Z9 Design. I would love to have you join the family. But make sure you leave a comment and hit the thumbs up button and let me know how I'm doing. It really helps my channel grow. I am almost at 800 subscribers. And when I reach that threshold, I have a gift for a blessed person. So make sure you subscribe and comment and let me know you're a new subscriber. Now, it has been snowing a lot here in Michigan. Remember, kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers. I don't know who it came from, but that's okay. See you later. Bye-bye.